So before we move on to the rewind technique itself, there are some elements of the rewind technique and elements of treating phobias, post-traumatic stress disorder, that are important, and so I'll be covering them first. So the idea of this is that by covering these bits before we move into the actual technique, you'll have an understanding of the technique and why the technique is the way it is, without me having to try and cover that while teaching you the technique itself. I can then just get straight on with going through each step, step by step. And also, by you knowing this information now, you can then apply this information even when you're not doing the rewind technique properly. So, for example, you could just be having a counselling session, and during the counselling session, you can apply certain techniques to reduce the emotion of the person you're talking to, because you just know that that reduces the emotion. So the bits that I'll be covering are association, disassociation. I'll be covering relaxation. I'll be covering submodalities. I'll be covering information gathering and scaling.